So sometimes I would get questions like, hey Nick, I do want to build my email list, but I have no budget. I don't know how to run ads. How can I do? So in this video, I want to introduce you what I call the ultimate lead machine. And by using that, you don't need any budget. You don't need any capital. You can build a huge list for free, and there'll be highly targeted list in your niche. So how do we do about that? Right. So the first thing you need is you want to make sure you optimize your Facebook profile. Right. So it's your profile. So you can go here. And the first thing you want to optimize is your cover. So your cover should look professional, and you can introduce who you are, what you do in the cover. Then you can have a website URL on your cover as well. Then also you want to optimize your description. So either we talk about what you do, what's your who you help, what's your niche, things like that. You can say, oh, I help entrepreneur build a list, things like that. So you can talk about who you are. And also you want to post something valuable for your niche. So you want to post something that is valuable for your niche regularly. Then on those posts, on your cover photo, on your description, you want to have a call to action to your site, right? So when they read this one, and they can choose to go to your site. And on this site, you can have a call to action. They have the opt-in page, right? So that's how you build a list. So that's the first step. You want to optimize your profile. Then the second step is you want to go to different Facebook group, right? So you joined a lot of Facebook group, and those groups should be in your niche, right? So you don't go there to spam, but you go there to provide value. So you can create some valuable content every day. Then you go to post, to share to those groups every day. Or you can go to there to answer people's questions every day. So if they got value from you, guess what? They will go to check your profile, right? And if they see your profile and say, wow, you look professional, they will go to your site and become your subscriber. And that's a way you can use to build a list. And guess what? This one is really powerful. So I know there are people, they are making millions of dollars just by posting like valuable content to other groups. So if you want to build a list, you can use what we call the ultimate lead machine. So the first step is you want to optimize your profile. Then the second step is you want to go to the groups in your niche, and you want to share valuable content every single day. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.